Hi, my name is Veronica Oliver, and today I'll be talking about assistive technology for students who have learning disabilities in the classroom. The first device that I'll be talking about is called a word prediction. It's good for English and math, and also for helping the students in organization skills. This is a great tool for students who are struggling in writing and reading. The way it works is the student starts to type a word and starts typing a couple of letters, and the word prediction shows options of the word it's trying to predict. If it shows the correct word, the student will click on the word and the word will automatically be added to a sentence. If the correct word doesn't show up, the student will continue to type letters until the correct word shows up. This also has an option for a dictionary, which will keep in memory the words that are used, and it'll predict the same word the next time it's used in that type of a sentence. There's also a custom dictionary in which the student can add words that he or she uses often. Another feature this has is the abbreviation expansion, in which the student thinks of phrases or sentences that he uses most often, and he assigns abbreviations to the program, and then the program will expand into a phrase or a sentence. For example, the abbreviations HYH would produce have you heard about. So every time the student wants to ask a question or use that sentence, he'll just use the abbreviation and the system would produce the whole phrase or the sentence. This feature also capitalizes the first word of a sentence or the first letter after a punctuation, after a period. This device could be used for a student who has communication problems or is nonverbal. Okay, the second device I want to talk about is called a talking word processor. This gives the student auditory feedback to reinforce the writing skills. What it does is it reads words, letters, paragraphs, or entire documents while the student types what it hears. The features could be customized to individual needs according to the student or whatever the teacher selects, and it could also be read down from a pull-down menu. There's also a talking spelling check, which allows the students to spell check the entire document or spell check a certain word that he selects. And some spell checkers include sounds or signals or visual signals to alert the student that he has misspelled a word. This could be used at any grade level and could be a supplement to a spelling lesson or a grammar lesson also. This also helps the student who has auditory problems to learn how to pronounce the words correctly, like a talking dictionary. The third device that I wanted to talk about is the multicolored keyboard, which I'm going to try and show you right here. It's a keyboard that has very enlarged keys. The keys are 1 inch big and it has large bolded letters, and they're color coded by groups. The vowels are color coded purple, the consonants are color coded green, and the signs to the right are yellow, and the numbers on the top are green. So this is good for especially kindergartners who are trying to learn the sight words, and so they're when they have to use a consonant and a vowel, it's very easy for them to learn the patterns of how the words are formed. And this could be tied also to a spelling lesson. And the other version of this is the keyboard that is used for learning how to type, because it has they're color coded by the fingers. The index finger, like right here, it's yellow, and the middle finger is green, and the pinky is color coded red, and the same thing on the other side. So this way it'll make it easy for the student to learn how to type by touch. So this could be the lesson that's supplemented with this device, a typing lesson. Okay, so these are the 3 devices that I wanted to share with you, and I was very happy the colored keyboard was the one that was most exciting to me, because it has all those colors and those patterns. But all the 3 devices to me are very helpful, and I see how the students who have learning disabilities can use them, and they could benefit from all of them. Thank you.